Wow, what do we have here? RS6 Avant. Ceramic brakes, 285 millimeters. Wide tires, front and rear. No air suspension. Let's lock it up. Wow. Laser light. Let's see how the laser lights are. And a little trick. Let's open the trunk when we start it. Yes, much sportier. RS2. Let's close this. And go for spin. Audi Sport. Wow. Awesome. Just see this displays everywhere. So let's have the roof or windows open a little bit for the sound. And let's go. So we're about to try the lights. Let's put them on auto. Sorry, they are already on auto. Wow, they're really sharp. Here it's kind of pitch black, but they really light it up good. Highway there. almost too sharp for the reflective places. And immediately blinding off for the approaching car. Yes, wow. And it's also, these are laser lights. So they're even more precision than the regular non-laser lights. But sometimes I wonder, like, is it just better to have complete full beam on all the time instead of having this selective? So do we dare doing a launch control here? Bit too many cars. It's very convenient with these automatic lights. See, so it just opens up. They're so sharp, these LED lights. I mean, how sharp could a LED be? Apparently very sharp. Oncoming car. Oof. Closes off a dark area around that car. Sweden, Northern Europe, right there. I mean, who designed this? I mean, why would I want to know that we are here on the Earth? Oh, okay, I'm not on Antarctica. Good to know. Why is it a round thing there? Anyway. Yeah, we can see how it is when it's approaching a car. Why did I even zoom in Antarctica? Now it's really, yeah, what to say, bright in the cockpit. $60 in 200 meters. Okay. Oh. So I think I heard some kind of sound, or maybe not. I wanted an excuse to stop and do a launch, but it's not the best place. But what a nice family car. I mean, Alcantara steering wheel, dual screens. I would like to see that this screen even could be able to show like navigation features and things, just like this. I need to show you that how nice it looks actually. Yeah, have a look here. Isn't that really nice? You can zoom out like hell. Now it's like closing down there. So I guess it's just easy to do like this. Oh no, I had to have RS mode in. No, that was not launch control. Still really fast. Wow. Some serious bangs. Yeah, it would be nice to just be out to top NL and just go for it. With Autobahn. Just closed down all the lights when it saw this light. Pretty cool. Works really good, that laser lights, really good. maybe PSC need to be completely switched off in order to do a launch. I have no idea. Let's see. If that's the case. It's quite a fresh highway here, or not highway, but yeah, kind of highway. It's not separated lanes, but it's not separation between the lanes. Here we have it. It's 2-to-1 lanes, but still it's